I'm Diptarup Chakraborty. L&T NXT is a business unit, a startup business unit under L&T. It is mandated to drive business in Industry 4.0 solutions, which is basically industrial IoT solutions for manufacturing, energies and utilities, oil and gas, basically heavy machinery industries. That is what this division is into. I am the Chief Marketing Officer of L&T NXT. We used Pardot specifically for engaging with our prospects at scale. Secondly, to nurture and score our prospects and accounts. Based on these scores and accounts, we wanted to change our marketing ABM marketing approach. We also wanted use Pardot for creating landing pages, which we then directed them to the website so that our web traffic increased. We want to use Pardot for engaging and linking up with LinkedIn because quite a lot of our leads come through that, and hence cross-scoring them with our email campaigns. We expect Pardot to be a analytical engine providing insights into our marketing programs, and based on these insights we should be able to improve our marketing outcomes. The kind of marketing that we have done is still at the nascent phase, and we are moving up, growing and scaling up. We can prove it through Pardot itself that look, this is the entire engagement scenario for that particular account. That account that you won 3 months back has been influenced largely by marketing, and Pardot has played a very crucial role. I was recommended Aetherius by Salesforce themselves, and they said that they were reliable and dependable. Firstly, responsiveness. They were very quick. The second point I felt is the knowledge that they got into all these discovery calls. The people that came on the call was extremely proficient, highly knowledgeable. The third was never saying no to something, even if it was difficult for them to do it. They somehow found a solution to that problem. Kunal and the Aetherius team became an extension of our marketing team.